Guys, the feet are out, the sun is out. I can tell you, the feet are in the water, but it's not super warm. Actually, it's a bit chilly. Only the brave will conquer. Look, you can see them in there. They must be children. But saying that, I grew up with the North Sea in the UK, so not that cold. But still, am I brave enough? No. La Concha, my wifey, El Laurel, which good food. Service is a little bit questionable, a bit arrogant. Tony's, which has just been moved, and it's really good in there. It's really funky, really cool. Just behind that we have a big beach club, Mickey Beach. Absolutely lovely.